This 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, Colorado Detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, stovetop burner, skylight, smoke detector, TV, external shower, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is 7,738 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.